Kids Toy Station.
Look what we have today. Peppa Pig and family in Cinderella Park. Oh, the park is looking amazing. Do hit the like button. Every detail is there in the park with the silver fencing. Lovely, isn't it? There are 6 entries to the park with 6 different areas of the story. Lovely. Here comes Peppa Pig and family in the Batman car. Wow. There you go. They are all standing here. Hey everybody, come on now. We don't need to be late. Everybody please come fast. Wow, look at the gate. The flowers on top and the silver line. Oh, lovely. Alright, now we do need to enter the gate. George, are you happy? Here comes the gate. This is gate number 1. And look at the entire park. It looks lovely. Very nicely decorated. The story is made short, sweet and simple so that everybody can understand, with characters standing side by side. Yeah, that's too good. I didn't expect it to be that good. Yeah, everybody, now let me narrate the story to you. Once upon a time, a girl named Cinderella lived with her father, stepmother and 2 stepsisters. Cinderella was ill-treated by her mom and sisters, so she was very sad. That's Cinderella. She's looking amazing. And that's Cinderella with her stepmom and 2 stepsisters. Wow, George is standing besides them. This is gate number 2. And Mama Pig is narrating the story. One day, a royal ball dance was announced by the king to find a suitable match. Cinderella wished to go, but her stepmom did not allow her. That's the royal person giving a letter to Cinderella for the royal ball dance. And that's Cinderella's stepmom scolding her. You're not allowed to go, she said. Here comes gate number 3 with lovely red and blue flowers at the top. Oh, the silver fencing is again looking good. We just can't keep our eyes off. Okay, let me start with the third part. When everyone at the house was gone, suddenly a fairy godmother appeared and granted Cinderella's wish. You, fairy, blew some magic and helped Cinderella to reach the royal ball dance, Mama. Look at the fairy godmother. She's actually blowing and casting some magic. Oh, lovely. Hey George, what are you doing there? Where are you standing? Hey Peppa, this is the golden carriage that is made from magic pumpkin. Lovely. This is the 4th part of the story, Peppa, and I'm happy. I'm standing and hiding beside the fence. Oh, George, lovely. Now, Mama, please narrate the story. Prince, on seeing Cinderella, asked her for dance. When clock struck 12 midnight, Cinderella realized that she had to reach home else the magic would disappear. Disappear? Did you say that, Mama? Was it really like that? Come on, George, let's hurry. I want to see. Hey, look at the prince and princess. Cinderella. Looking lovely together, both of them. They are dancing. And suddenly Cinderella is going to run from here. Oh, lovely dance they are doing. They're actually dancing. See George, see Mama and Papa Pig. They're actually dancing. Yeah, that was lovely. Come on, Peppa and George, come quickly. Here you come, both of you. Let me narrate this part now. Alright, Mama, I'm sitting here only. Cinderella, in a hurry to reach home, left her glass shoe on the staircase. Prince sent his men in search of the lady with the other glass slipper. Hey Peppa. Oh my, that's really the glass slipper on the staircase. Look at Cinderella. Yeah, she does not have that glass slipper in her feet. She's looking charming, Mama. Really charming. I love you, Cinderella. Hey everybody, come here. The 6th part, I'm going to narrate this part to you. The glass slipper fitted Cinderella and she was taken to the castle. Prince married Cinderella and they lived happily ever after. Happy? You said happy, Peppa Pig? I'm so glad that Cinderella was happy finally. Otherwise, I was too sad. That's the picture you see. Cinderella, the glass slippers fitting her. Yes, I can see that. Very nice, Cinderella. Keep it up. And that's the prince. He's helping Cinderella to wear the glass slipper and asking her for marriage. Finally, they lived happily ever after. Lovely, wasn't it? Yes. Oh, everybody, it was a lovely day out at the Cinderella's park. I was so happy. Hey, George, weren't you happy? Say, George. I was happy, very much happy, Papa. Next time, we are going to Dinosaur's Park, okay? Yeah, George, don't worry, for sure. I'll make that promise to you. Hey everybody, just forget about the talks. Have a look at the park from the outside. It looks amazing. Yeah, that's gate number 1. We entered it. Cinderella in a lovely blue dress with her step mom and sisters. That's gate number 2. You can see numbers written on the stars. Oh, that's a roll ball dance being announced through a letter. That's Cinderella being scolded by her mother. Look at the park. And again, that's gate number 3. Where the fairy godmother came into action with some magic, great magic. That's the golden carriage made out of pumpkin. Wow, that's gate number 4. Finally, Cinderella is dancing with the prince and having great time. That's gate number 5. And that's Cinderella running down the staircase in the palace. And in a hurry, she left her glass slipper there. That's gate number 6 and final. Yeah, Prince and Cinderella are now living happily together. Lovely Cinderella story, isn't it? And the park just made too good. Look at that castle, Cinderella's castle. Oh my, it's too huge. It's a lovely castle out there. And that's Cinderella in her shimmering blue dress. She's looking lovely and gorgeous. That's the glass slipper. Lovely, isn't it? Do subscribe, like and share the video.